Namaskar, Sujata here for News Plus Views, and today we are at the Courtyard Marriott in Mumbai. We have with us Ms. Vasundhara Pawar, who is the founder of Powerful Group. Ma'am, Vasundhara Pawar, ma'am, will you please tell us what is the concept and theme in brief?
First of all, we feel that we want to create job opportunities for Indian diaspora here, Indians here, and so we as Indian diaspora can do it best because we know that technology driven and we are in all respects India is great. India is the youngest country in the world. The age group being between 25 and 35, which is amazing in the world, and so our Indian scientifically driven Indians yet do not have the proper jobs here. So we want to make sure that we create employment for them. And the best way to do that is to teach our children to be, from going forward is to become entrepreneurs versus looking for jobs. So become job creators versus job seekers. So you change the whole dynamics of the life that has been done before. Because in future, when you talk about AI and all these things that are happening, going to be happening in the next 10, 20 years, you'll realize that there will possibly will not be jobs in the fields that they have been educated in, and so we need to prepare our young adults to do something to take charge of their lives, and that's by becoming entrepreneurs. So we are going to create 50,000 job opportunities for the Indian adults here, and that we're going to do through creating 2,500 job opportunities for them, employment businesses for them. So the businesses will create jobs for those who are looking for jobs. But we want to teach our young adults to become entrepreneurs and not looking for jobs.
So, ma'am, who exactly all there in the Powerful Group? Like you are there, Mr. Kunal Deshmani is there.
We are the two who started this. I'm the founder and he's a co-founder. And we are the main people who started this.
Right.
Because of my background in finance and business and all that in the US, and I've uplifted a lot of companies in the US. And I thought that now I need to spend some time to do something for young adults here in India. And I've heard that a lot of them are not having the proper jobs here. They are educated, highly technology driven, everything, but yet when you talk about jobs, they don't really do the proper jobs. And we want to make sure that they get that opportunity. They're not set back on that opportunity.
So, ma'am, when you have conceptualized this group, Powerful Group, when you have founded it, and what is your next break like?
Basically, the objective of that is so many of them. See, we are basically targeting the problems that we see in our society. It might be the problem with our young adults, right? The seniors, they don't have a place to go sometimes. The kids are not able to take care of them. Sometimes they don't want to take care of, but whichever it might be. So we want to create provision for all of them, that they are taken care of. So we have like healthy areas that we are targeting, where we can create a nice environment for them, that they will be healthy and happy and live happily and not worried about their lives and frustrated about their lives. And even the adults, I feel that after 50 is when you really do something in life. Until then, you're taking care of your family, especially women, right? You're taking care of your family and all that. You don't have time for that. But when the kids grow up and they're gone, that's when you have the maximum amount of time to do something. So we don't want our adults also to just sit at home and do nothing, but they can utilize their time to support our society here. And there's so many programs that we have to do that also. So they will not be sitting and doing nothing.
So, great concept, ma'am, and wish you all the best.